Good morning, all my subscribers. I just said something else this morning. Years back, when I do work on tape recorders, I don't know who of you can remember this old tape recorders that used to work with this tapes. There's a little motor, and here's the mechanism. And then this mechanism is operating your tape, and there's a capstan and a little wheel that makes sure the tape goes with some equal speed through it. But inside the motor, there's something else that is different from any other little electric motors. But I remember that then I think it was interesting just to show you guys how this little motors work inside. I just want to go quickly take this away and get the one motor in front of me. Okay, now you can see this flyweights here. There's also a little electronic, I think it's just a capacitor for the noise is going to cause by the switching here. Now this thing, if it runs fast enough, then it opens and then it disconnects the supply, and then it controls the speed of the motor. And here is another one this side. So some of them have two, one of only one. But this is very interesting. And then there is a small screw that I just wonder how in the factory they adjust the screws for the right tension, for the right speed. For if you tension the spring a little bit more, and then it will run faster until it regulates. This other motor only have one. Let's just open the other one here. See, this one only has one set here. There's one set of flyweights here. The other side is just for the balancing a flyweight. Here's the contact, and again there's a little small screw that runs here. So this is very interesting if you think about speed control. I don't know how many people actually knows about it. If you're technical and will maybe interesting to you, there's a little flyweight, and then it opens, and then it opens the circuit, and then it stops, or what keeps regulates the speed. This is very interesting. There's your brushes and stuff. So this is a very interesting thing here on the old type of motor. Nowadays everything is electronic with CDs, CD players and stuff. They works in a different way. I don't think they make maybe these motors anymore, but it's just, I thought it's just interesting to show you guys how this old tape recorder motors that you use to play with your tapes with actually operates inside. Obviously this is you'll see on the side here is a hole here. When they close here, obviously in the factory, you see there's the excess now of the little screw there, the tension. Obviously they set in the factory the right tension for the right speed. They have a little process how they work. Okay, this is and there's the magnets inside, the little ring magnet, and you can see if you can see inside here, the shaft here is a little ball here, but that ball can actually move. It is under a tension. There's a little copper mixture, steel copper, as a self-lubricating bearing for a type of bearing there. It's not a real bearing, it's just a bush, type of bush, and just to keep the thing straight. And so this is very interesting. I just thought I want to tell you quickly, and that was something else I remember. Okay, I hope you this was interesting for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more interesting stuff. Till next time, cheers.